In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a free website. So you do not need to buy a domain, you do not need to buy hosting. So the first thing you need to do is head on to google.com. So when you open a new tab on your desktop or on your computer, you're just going to see the first page there as google.com. So the next thing you need to search is Google Sites. Search for Google Sites. So we're going to create our website on Google. Yeah, so sites.google.com allows you to create a free website whereby you just head on to there, pick a theme that is already available, just add your details, and you have your website. So the next thing, you're just going to go with the first result here that says Google Sites sign in. So click on Google Sites sign in. So since you're already signed in your device or in your computer, it's going to sign you up automatically. All right, so this is a page you see. Once you come to the page here, so you can decide to create a website from blank, or starting from scratch, or you can select pre-made templates here whereby you can just change the details, and it's easier for you. So for this tutorial, we're just going to go with a pre-made theme or a template, so that it's easier for us, and it takes the shortest time possible. So the next thing, you just need to go to the template gallery. So we want to select a number of themes, or take a look at a number of themes, so that we know which theme we're going to go with. So click on template gallery. Alright, so it's going to extend here, and you are going to see a number of templates for you. So the first one we have is a personal. So if you want to create a personal portfolio website, you can go with the first one here. So if you are creating a website for work or for business, here you can go with the work templates here. So we have event, we have help center, we have project, we have team. So if you are a small business, and your business is deals with the niche of the dog niche, you can select the dog walker. So if you are a party website or a party business, you can go with the holiday party. So if you are a photographer, yeah, you can go with the photo portfolio template here. If you are a restaurant, you are going to go with the restaurant template here. So if you're a salon business, or a hair care, or a makeup business, you want to go with the salon template here. So if you're an education website here, you want to go with this education templates here. So we're just going to go with the restaurant, so that we can see how we're going to make a website for a restaurant. So we're just going to select the template restaurant. So once you select, it's going to load the template for you into your website here. So as you can see, we have now a pre-made website here, whereby we can change a number of items, and we can start readjusting a number of items, and we'll be having our website after we've corrected a number of things on this website. So as you can see, looks clean. It also allows you to edit, to add the phone number. It also allows you to add the menu, the reservations, and all those. So it also has the menus up here, whereby you can add your contact details, you can add your chef, and also you can add the menu that you're serving in your restaurant. So as well, you can add the logo here, but I will just go with the name. So we can maybe use the name let's see, we can use Fresh Foods Hotel. All right, we can use Fresh Foods Hotel, so it should work. Then we'd want to change this one as well here, and we can just change up to there, and call it Fresh Foods Hotel. So before you remove everything, you want to start typing, so that it picks the color in which you want to use. So we can use Fresh Foods Hotel. So since it's a single hotel, I just go with the singular. So Fresh Foods Hotel. So, and also you're going to change the tagline here. So you're going to indicate the best fresh foods hotel in the country. Yeah, just indicate that. So you just want to add a tagline that is going to be serve as a selling point for your customers. So far we do have the name of the hotel. You can add a logo if you want, but I prefer having the name in word format because it brings out the sense of being an exquisite hotel. So you don't want to bump up the website with a lot of weird looking logos. So you have that. Then the next one is you can change. Now if this is your popular dish, so you can just change here. So here it says a caption for a popular dish. So you want to change here the caption. So and you can call it our Friday special main course meal. Yeah, you can just call it that way. Delete that. So the reason we're just leaving the first letter so that it can take the shape of or the font type and font size there. So our Friday special main course meal. So if this is the meal that you're going to be offering on a Friday, whereby it's a meal that you want many people to try it out, you can just indicate it as that, our Friday special main course meal. So you also tell site viewers about your establishment in a few sentences, make them feel welcome and invited to visit. So you'll come here and you'll want to change. So welcome to Fresh Foods Hotel. We are the #1 fresh foods hotel in the country. We have been around since the 1994. So you just want to indicate when your hotel was started, so that and mainly these big hotels, they do have the dates in which they were started. So you want to maybe go down the history route so that people can know that your hotel is, or your website is was established a number of years ago, and we've been there for a long time. So we have been around since 1994, and we've served over 10,000 meals in the years we have been in operation. Right, so you want to add some little flavor of what you've done in the last few years that you've been in existence. So something to sell your hotel as much as possible. So we have been in operation for a number of years, so leave it at that. So we do have now the website here looking clean. Then here we're going to fix the reservation. Then we've made our case there. Then we're going to add press coverage. So add a quote from press or a customer review. So here you're just going to come and add something. The best hotel to have fish. Yeah, you can just indicate the best hotel to have fish in the country. So these are comments or reviews from customers. So if your hotel has been in existence for a while, so you'd want to invite a number of customers who are regulars, so that they can come and share with you reviews. Then you can use the reviews to input in the website. But now, since it's a new website, we're just going to indicate our own reviews. So we come here to another one. So here you can indicate I visit Fresh Foods Hotel every evening for supper. Just indicate that. Then I visit a Fresh Foods Hotel every evening for supper. Then you want to come here and say they provide the best barbecue in the country. So you want to indicate something in the lines with a niche of cooking in mind. So they provide the best barbecue in the country. Then you also want to come and add another one here, and what you're going to say, the only place I take my breakfast from. So you want to indicate something in the lines of food, in the lines of diet, so that it looks actually that it's in the niche of the hotel in which people want to take from. Now these reviews are going to help you in the sense that if somebody visits the website, they would want to scroll and see, are people giving good reviews, are people leaving information that maybe somebody would want to have access to. So these are something that you want to use that are going to be a selling point for your website. So here I see we have link to source. So for link to source, you're just going to change the link. So insert link. So by inserting link, we're going to use HTTPS. So you're just going to add popular websites. So www.google.com. Then here you're just going to change and say Google. So you've added the link for Google. So click on apply. So it's going to change by Google. Then here you're just going to select this one as well. Come here and change. Okay, seems like it's not selected. So click on that. So just going to change here and say HTTPS facebook.com. So you just want to use the popular website. So have a www.facebook.com. Then you're just going to mention here Facebook. All right, click apply. Then you're going to the next one here. So you want to add links. That means that these reviews were gotten from this website. So you just want to use that. So you want to use actual website. So if you have actual customers that are going to give the reviews, you'd want them to share with you their portfolios or their website so that you can incorporate them here. So you're just going to change here and say HTTPS www.twitter.com. so I'm just using the popular website because these are websites that people are going to relate. Okay, here we do not have the double. Okay, now it looks okay. Then click on apply. So here as well, just come and change, and we're going to indicate HTTPS www.instagram.com. Alright, so just change here Instagram and click on apply. Now your reviews now actually look like they come from this popular website. So we have Google, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. So you do have the reviews. The next step, you just scroll down. So you come here to the footer. So for the footer, you're just going to change your address, you're going to change your phone number and your email. So click on edit. Then you're just going to change here and say, let's say 333 Fremont Street. You can indicate that. Then the phone number you can come and indicate here as well, plus 100 100 100 100. So you want to add your actual phone number there so that it looks like people can be able to reach out to you using the number you've provided here. Then for the email, we're just going to add info at freshfoodshotels.com. So we're going to add that. So I'm not sure if Fresh Foods Hotel is taken, so that we do not reference a website that is already in existence. So we go to GoDaddy.com. Go to GoDaddy. We just want to look if Fresh Foods fresh foods hotels or hotel.com is available. So we do not want to reference a website that is already in existence. So fresh foods hotel is not taken. So if you want to go and go for that domain, it's available. Fresh foods hotel. So just want to check if the hotel is in existence. Alright, so it's not really existent in per se, because we have 3 fresh foods hotel in Tata, Tripoli. Otherwise, so we can just proceed, and you can use that info@freshfoodshotel.com. So you now have your footer, you have your reviews here, then you have that, you have your reservations and everything. So come here to contact us. So you can add your location. So for location, just click in here, and you're just going to select the map that will be provided by Google. So let's say your hotel is located somewhere around North America. Just click on select. It's going to auto populate the map here. So we do have now the map. So the email, as we have mentioned, is info@freshfoodshotel.com, and we have the number, as we had mentioned here. We're just going to go plus 100 100 100. You're just going to input the number that you own so that people can be able to reach out to you. So 300 Fremont Street. Alright, so you have the address, then the hours of operation. So Monday closed. I believe Monday should be working, so just copy the one from Tuesday here, and you're just going to copy it there. So you can have the back, then you're just going to edit here to Monday. Now you do have your schedule. So Sunday it's closed, Saturday is open 6 to 4 a.m. So seems like the schedule here is at night, so I'm just going to change that so that we can have PM. So it looks okay. So we're opening 5:30 a.m. to 11 p.m. So we're going to change that change that as well. Then for Friday, I believe should be the same as the other time. So for Saturday, maybe we can say that when we open a little bit late, then we close a little bit earlier. So you have that. And Sunday it's closed. Now you have your contact us, you have your hours of operation. So caption for image. Now here you want to change the caption for an image of the restaurant. So here you want to indicate a hotel that feels like home. Yeah, so you want to add the selling points for your website here, and you can do this for any other website. So any other niche or any other business you want to do. So here, even if it's a bar or something, so a hotel that feels like home. Then describe the customer experience in detail. What makes the environment here unique? So you're just going to change here and say we purpose to deliver quality meals and quality customer service. We have some of the leading chefs in the world. Okay, you can use in the country, who have been cooking for ages. So you want to use that. So you want to market yourself, because a website is a way for you to market yourself, so that people will be able to book with you, or people will be able to visit your hotel. So we have that. Then here is an image of some foods. So you can indicate here our food placement is one of the best. So we want to indicate something on the lines of that. So because I see here it's an image of food being served, so you want to indicate here our placement. Our food placement is one of the best. So you want to indicate something on the lines of that. So tell your site viewers more about the establishment. What does the space look like? What type of environment should someone expect when they arrive? Right. So we want to come here and indicate we have custom made hotel setting with a swimming pool and a bouncing castle for kids to enjoy, to play while enjoy our excellent foods. So you want to indicate something on the lines of that, and just look for grammatical errors so that the website comes out really clean. Then this one we had made it okay. So let's first come here and edit this and copy this, so that you want to make sure that it looks the same for everything. So just come here to the contact and just update that. So looks okay so far. So we want to come to chef. So here I believe it's going to show an image of a chef, so you want to edit that. All right, so here you just get to meet our lead chef. So this will go as the lead chef. Then here's where you can write about the chef. So you can say our lead chef has been working with Fresh Foods Hotel for the last 16 years and is very knowledgeable of different meal preps and will offer you custom made dishes according to your preference. Alright, so you just want to draw a few lines in there that is going to sell yourself as having the best chef in the world. Yeah, so our cooking skills are out of this world. So you want to add something of the sort there, so just continuously showing that you are the best. So what styles of cooking should your diners expect to find at this restaurant? Tell us more about the kitchen and the inner workings. So you can say here we have the most modern equipment in our kitchen to ensure your meals are served on time. Right, that looks good. Our bakers provide the best baked dishes or baked cakes, and you will love the extra chocolate. Alright, so you want to reference the image here. So our bakers provide the best baked cakes, or you can just use cakes here, best cakes, and we love the extra chocolate. So who else works in the kitchen? Tell your viewers. So here you say we also have 5 chefs assisting our lead chef to get your meals ready in the shortest time possible. Right, so you want to come up and say you have the staff or the operator so that the customers' needs are served within the shortest time possible. Now if you can see, the website now is starting to look the part. So you have the details, you have the menu. So let's come to the menu here. So here is the menu that you are serving. So let's see if it can load here. Yeah, so we have some custom pictures here. So you want to add the dish here. So we already have the prices, so we can say coffee. So here is just say coffee, just say tea, just say milk, you can say soda, and you can say juice. All right, you can add that there. Then main course, you can say fries, you can say beef, you can say rice. So it depends on where you come from. So just indicate the meals that are where you do serve. So if you're actually making this website from a restaurant standpoint, just add there. Then you can say pizza, then you can say chicken, then for dessert maybe you can say chocolate, ice cream, you can say fruit juice, then you can add others here. Let's say you can add fruits, you can indicate fruits. Then the last one here, maybe you can add the likes of maybe water, indicate that is that. So it's just a rough copy, so just to show you that you can add all the different items you have. So interested in catering, contact email. So you want to add your email here, info at so actually we can just add it, yeah, we can just add it as info at freshfoodshotel.com, and also you can add it so that when somebody clicks on this, it's able to just proceed with the mail. Yeah, actually it works. So mail to info at freshfoods. So just here you can just leave it as it is. So You're just going to see, once you click this, it's going to take you to your email provider, and you are able to send out an email. So that looks okay. So the page here looks okay. So for the reservations, so link to the reservation. So you want to say, if you want to reserve, so just go to mail to, that way. So it's going to be like when somebody clicks on reservation, he's taken to the mail, and he's able to make a reservation via mail. So that looks okay. Then insert, I don't think we have any other item that is missing. Then here at the end here, you can change the look of your website, the look and feel of your website. So for me, I think the green or the dark green here looks okay, because our hotel reads fresh food, so we want to come up with the notion that it looks like an agricultural standpoint of a restaurant. So we leave it as green, but you can just come here and change according to your preference. Yeah, so once you have that, you're just going to, let's see, home. If you click on home, you go back again to the website. So for reservations, let's see if it's working. Yeah, so this one we need to change, mail to. Click on that, then update. So once a customer clicks on this reservation, it's going to take him to his email, whereby he or she is able to send out a mail to you, hey, that we want to book this and this date. Are you available to have us maybe take the booking? So that looks okay. So the next thing, you want to publish. So you want to publish, so, and the web address, so the web address is what is going to appear on the sites.google. So you can leave it as Fresh Foods Hotel, and maybe let me first copy this, then I can just take out the signs here, the hyphens here, so that it just looks like https sites.google.com view Fresh Foods Hotel. So remember, I told you that you do not need a domain, but if you want to add a domain, you can go to domains like yourdomain.com. So you go to manage and add a domain. But since we are starting a website for absolutely free, we're not going to purchase anything. We're not going to purchase any domain. We're not going to purchase any hosting. So we're just going to use the domain that we have here. So https sites.google.com/view/Fresh Foods Hotel. So we have a domain. So the next thing is on default, Google is going to rank this website. It's going to crawl and rank this website. But if you do not want your website to be crawled or displayed by the search engines, you just click on request public search engines not to display my site. But the reason we're building a website is for us to take our business online, so we want to leave it at that. So the next thing is who can view my site. You can manage here. So if you do not want a number of people to view your website, you can just change that. So mine, I want it to be viewed. So who can view my site? Mine, I want to be viewed by everyone, so leave it at anyone. Then remember, here I said if you want to purchase a domain, you can go ahead, but the sites.google domain, you can just use the domain we have here. So just click on publish. So with that said and done, you have your website. So you can come and click on view. You're going to see we have a website absolutely free. You did not buy any domain, you did not buy any hosting. You have your domain and you have your website, and it looks really clean. Looks like one of the best websites in the restaurant business. So remember, you said if you click on reservations, it should take you to Google to try and place your reservation. So here, so if you see, once you do click that, see, it takes you to your mail so that you can proceed and place a mail. So that is working. So as you can see, the website looks okay. The reviews here as well look perfect. Then if you have the contact us, so it highlights the map here. It also highlights the reservation. You can also make a reservation from this page. Then we do have the contact us pages, the contact us details. We have the hours of operation, Then we have a feel of what the actual hotel looks like. So we have how we serve our dishes. Then we have an item here highlighting what you're going to experience, or the experience you're going to get once you visit us in person. Then we have this page here that says chef. So here you get to meet our lead chef. Then you also get to see how we prepare the dishes there. Then you also go ahead and see how we try and bake and add some chocolate. As you had mentioned, you need to sell yourself more. Then on the menu here, it's what we offer in our hotel setting. So that's it. You've made your restaurant website the easiest way possible. You did not pay any money, so you just did it for absolutely free. Now you can use this link and share it with your friends, and share it with the people you want to visit your hotel. Then you can also use this link to advertise. So if you're going to run advertisements, you just need to use this link and add it to your Facebook manager. And once you do add a good picture, once people click this link, they are going to be redirected to your website. So we can come here and just paste the link here on a new page and click on enter. Is going to load our website. So that's it. We have a free website that we did not spend any amount, and it looks really clean. So if you want to try this out, head on to sites.google.com. I'm going to share the link in the description. You can just click and get started.